Got law enforcement on site. Cars coming by like crazy. I'm in here unmounting this fella. Kind of skipped some steps. Trying to get out of here pretty fast. So what's up, Sam?
What's up, Sam?
My God. Now we're just awakened.
Fucking rolling.
I know the trucks had the tail light out. That's why I pulled in the back. I didn't want to pull in front.
Yeah.
Got the po-po. That should be about right there. Now we just handed it off like a football to Sam. Let me get that out of the way for you. There you go. You got to sit around and watch me. Now I get to sit around and watch him. Probably bring a light out there just in case you need some vision. Cars just keep coming. There's like two more cars right there. Now that's over with. Took some photos. Always like a nice one when the police show up. Something going on over there too. I don't know what's wrong with that guy. But he didn't pull behind us, so I don't know. Oh, my truck lights went out. That's great. That's just how we do roadside assistance here in Indianapolis. If you want to join the business, give me a holler. I'll help you out. Now we're about to take off.